you turn on the dark mode so that your eyes hurt less, right? But when you open websites like Gmail and Instagram, they are still white, as you can see. Whereas other websites like YouTube do turn dark, but there are some websites which just do not turn dark, right? So to avoid getting flashbang like this, I will show you how to turn on dark mode for the websites that won't turn dark, or you can say how to force them to run in dark mode. So what you need to do is just type the name of your web browser and a semicolon, and 2 forward slashes, and then type flags. Okay, not flags. I write flags. Okay. In the search bar, just type dark and auto dark mode for web contents. So make it enabled from default. Relaunch, and now when you open Gmail, it's dark, as you can see. And if you talk about Instagram, it is also dark. So it works not only for Instagram and Gmail, but every single website that was not running in dark mode before will run in dark mode now. And it's not just only for Chrome. It not just works only for Chrome, it also works for other browsers. As you can see, Instagram here, it's in light mode. Even after turning the theme to dark mode, what you can do is just type the name of the web browser, that is Edge, colon, forward slashes, and flags. Same, just search for dark and enabled. Relaunch, and now you can see it is dark. So you can do this for Edge, Chrome, Brave, Firefox, any browser. And yeah, it is helpful, right? Because when you are working in the dark or in the night, you don't want to hurt your eyes by opening Gmail when you have turned on the dark mode, and you open Gmail or Instagram on a PC and suddenly you're blind. So yeah, you don't want that. So yeah, that was it for today's video. It was short, quick, and I hope it helps. And if it does, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And see you soon in the next video.